Hey, it's Jamila and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make layered vinyl stickers using the Cricut Design Space offset feature. I'm putting mine on water bottles, but you can use them for whatever you want. If you're new here, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And once you're done with this video, go ahead and drop me a comment below and tell me what you thought about it. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is type out your text or insert your design or whatever you are wanting to create an offset for. Find a font that you like. I like this font. So I chose the Bella Years font, and now I want to create an offset because I want to use, this is going on a water bottle. I want to use two different colors. So select your image or your text. So to add the offset, you're going to select your text, go up here to offset, and you can see what your offset is going to look like immediately. And I think I want it just a touch smaller. All right, so I'm going to click apply. Now I want all of these So now the design is just about ready. I need to resize it to make it fit. We got a width of 5.5. I'm sorry, a length of 5.5. And the height actually ends up being perfect. So I'm actually doing 4 of these. So I'm going to take these 2 and group them together and get my other names typed out. Now, I want all my names the same thickness, so I'm going to go up here and actually copy the height and paste it there. I don't know why that happened. Kick it back, and I'm going to just continue to type out my names. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to layer them on a water bottle. You're going to need something to hold your cup. A cup, Cricut machine, and I am using Casa holographic vinyl and also their white vinyl for my offset. So go ahead and make your design, and because we're using adhesive, you don't need to mirror at all. So go through the prompts on your Cricut machine, place your vinyl onto your mat, and make sure it's on there good. Load it into the machine. Choose your material. Go ahead and cut out all your vinyl pieces, all of your offsets and the overlay pieces. And when you're pulling the vinyl from the mat, make sure that you place it face down and pull the mat from the vinyl, and that just kind of helps prevent your vinyl from rolling, which makes it a little bit harder to work with. but just continue to cut everything until you have everything cut for your project. Now that I have everything cut out, start weeding. Cut this off first. Go ahead and get all your pieces weeded and get them ready for our water bottles. We're going to take the top part, which is the colored part on my design, and put it onto the bottom part, which is the white part. And the white part is the offset that we made at the beginning. To transfer all of these, what I did was take a piece of transfer tape, and using my scraper tool, I transferred the vinyl onto the transfer tape, peeled off the paper backing, and then I laid that colored piece on top of my offset piece. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and transfer it over to my cup. And it's basically the same idea. Pull off the paper backing. You just want to make sure to keep scraping. You want to make sure that your design is sticking to the transfer tape. And once you get it on there the way you want to, you can go ahead and use your scraper again to press it down. And you want to make sure that there are no bubbles in it. And to pull the transfer tape off, I like to fold it and pull it off against the cup or the object that I am putting it on. Go ahead and scrape it one last time just to make sure that it's on there good, and finish up your project. If you have multiples, go ahead and do those. I have 4 to do, so I'm going to go ahead and finish. And that's how you make a vinyl decal on Cricut using the Design Space Offset feature. Thanks for watching. Hopefully my video helped someone. If you liked it, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.